You're in the weight loss community and you are facing the options of taking compounded medications for weight loss. You need to choose a compound pharmacy. How do you choose a compound pharmacy? The very first thing that you want to do is make sure that that pharmacy is PCAPed, meaning you want to make sure that compound pharmacy has been accredited. You want accreditation because accreditations from compound pharmacies sets standards and protocols in preparing those medications. You also want to know, has everybody in that pharmacy been certified? Are you guys certified to make compound medication? Every single person in the pharmacy should be certified. What about the quality of the ingredients? Are you using high quality ingredients? Can I rely on the potency of the ingredients? And have you gotten a certificate of analysis for every single substance that you are using to make this medication for me? Have you done batch testing? That is a must. Batch testing is a must before you prescribe any medication to me from your pharmacy. What about how long is it going to take you to get this medication to me? That's the time frame. What about easy communication? Can I call you? Can I text you? Is somebody going to pick up the phone when I need help and I have questions about this medication? I know, you guys. It may come off like I'm being OCD about choosing a compound pharmacy, but you guys have to remember, compound medications have not been FDA approved. So you have to be very diligent and precise about the information that you need from them to secure and make you feel comfortable in taking a compound medication. So those are just some ideas. Keep that in mind when choosing a pharmacy near you. And I hope that helps.